Do you want to know how you can log into your rayyan.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your rayyan.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for rayyan.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of rayyan.ai. You can see that there are two boxes over here. Write down your email address in this box and your password associated with rayyan.ai in the second one. After that, click sign in. This way, you can sign in to your rayyan.ai account. You can also click on this box and your browser will remember you the next time you try to log in. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password once again. And if you want to sign in using your enterprise ID, go ahead and click on this link, write down your email address, click sign in, write down your password of your enterprise ID, click sign in again, and you can log into your Rayyan ID using your enterprise ID. I hope this video about how you can log into your rayyan.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.